Hello good people, hope you're doing well. As you can see, I have amazing company and here we're heading to Karura Forest. It is on Kiambu Road. I hear there's another entry, but on this day we went to Kiambu Road side and we were with Linda Muri. You have seen them there, Joanne, Jojo Erimo, and Josephine of Journey with Shiwine. I'm going to link their channels down below. You subscribe to our channels, like, comment, and share. So come with us.
You wanna know what's beginning of love? You look so high.
We have arrived. The first place you find is this place. You can hire bikes at 500 for 2 hours. Then you can see the entrance. The entrance fee is 100 shillings for walk and 250 for picnic, and of course 200 for car. Okay, starting from 200. The prices vary with different cars. So we have my friends over there. Let me now join them. And of course there are some places you can sit and chill. Jojo. Josephine.
Hello.
And Linda. Kwani sauti ilia? It's so peaceful. If you love nature and nature walks, this is the place to be. I'm here with Linda and I have a question for her.
Okay.
Linda, how much is in your wallet?
In my wallet?
Yes.
4,000.
How much is in your MPESA?
MPESA? 16K.
Hey, kona do, guy. Hi guys, I'm here with Jojo and I have some questions for her.
Oh, yeah.
How much is in your wallet?
500.
How much is in your MPESA?
3,000.
Huh? Wase, kumbe mkona do. Me, I have zero cash. Hi guys, I'm here with Josephine. Let's find out how much she has. Josephine, how much is in your wallet?
300.
How much is in your MPESA?
25K.
Hey, my friend. Why am I the one who is broke? I don't have a shilling.
Throwing aside, I can't wait to start. You should call the police. Now I even can breathe. You love me and hate me, true me and false me, make me your shining star. Even
As you can see, the girls were having a great time, and what I love most about this experience is that it's affordable and still fun. It's been a while since we had a walk or an outdoor activity, and this was a much needed experience.
look so high, but you can't see enough. Just find it and take it, don't let regret it. Make me your only one. You choose it, don't lose it, don't let confuse it. Only then you begun. Feel like, feel like, feel like that. Feel like, feel like, feel like that. Feel like that. Lay your arms around me and stay with me. Feel like that. Lay your arms and stay with me, baby. Feel like that. Lay your arms around me and stay with me. Feel like that. Lay your arms and stay with me, baby.
After the hike, it was time for picnic. On this side, it's where there is a picnic site, but it was too late, so we were not allowed to go there. Since we still had to eat, the security guard was gracious enough to give us her space. So here we are setting up for our picnic. You know what? Nothing was going to stop us from enjoying our picnic. And we set up everything. As you can see, the cake looked like they were really beautiful. And I must say, they were so delicious. But they had given in. I mean, after a whole day, this ought to have happened. For any affordable experience, this is a worthwhile experience. Actually, if you don't have money for food, you can eat at home and then come and enjoy yourself. Of course, it was time to go home, and I must say it was an amazing experience. See you on our next one. Bye. If you're new, kindly subscribe and join the Just Nation.